All right, so just got this from Amazon. So we're gonna try not to cut ourselves. There we go. Ta-da! New filter for the pool. So I'm gonna show you how to put this bad boy in your pool. First things first, turn off the power to the pump. Usually I come over here and I'll just hit this. And I'm gonna open this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the basket out. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna need both hands to get it loose. There we go, got it. Got it. And I just vacuumed the pool, so this just came. I'm gonna clean that. So let's go over here. Jesus Christ. Fucking unbelievable. Just get it loose. Get all the stuff out. I'm gonna set it over here because I'm gonna squirt it. Yep. Okay, now we got to take the wrapping paper off this. So, and then we got to unhook this. We open that, and we got to turn this counterclockwise. Usually that's how you get stuff off. And this takes quite a number of turns. Getting close. You can see. There we go. And there. And there is our old filter. I'm going to set this sideways because I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to wash the inside of this with the hose. Clean all that out. Clean this out. And then we'll pull this one, put that one in. How's that sound? All right, so anyway, this is the old filter I'm going to pull out. I might clean this a little bit and let it dry. But you'll notice on the inside you've got these two. This is a tube, and this is the thing that you screw it onto. And so when you slide it in there, you got to get it through there. This one here has kind of like the same situation, but it's a little bit different, a little bit, about the same circumference as these. This one's a little tighter. This one's harder. But we're going to go ahead and pull that out of there. We're going to take it completely out, and then we got to put that one in. So that's what we're going to do next. All right, so I'm just going to pull it out. Very simple. Pop it up. And then lift it out. And that one's out. Now, we're going to put this one in right here. I'm just going to slide it down just like that. I got to look in there to try to make sure I got it centered right. And bam, that's it. That's all you do. So, give you an idea. I got it centered on there. And then we can go ahead and put our top on after we rinse it out. And then this one we'll take outside. I might rinse this and let it dry and see if I can clean it. And maybe I can use it in a pinch if I have to. Let's bring it out here. I might just throw it away though. I'm gonna set it right there. All right, let's get our basket. All right, here's our basket. We're gonna clean that out a little bit. All right, so we just gotta clean that. See if it's pretty clear. Yeah, that's good. So now we can stick this back in here. You just gotta get the grooves in there, like that. Then you just turn it. Just turn it. There you go. And you can put your top back on. Just like that. Tight. Remember, you got to take it off later. That's on. All right, let's squirt this out. Try to get all the junk out of there. And so you can see there's some crud inside there. Get it out of there. Like this stuff. Yeah. Let's take a look down in there. That looks pretty good. Sometimes you get stuff caught in the valve and it won't purge right. So you got to check for that. And then if you're good with it, you just pick her up like this. And we're just going to set her right on there. Right like that. Just like that. And it should go down and fit on there. And then you want to get it pointed where you want it. Like that. So that this is squirting out that way. You don't want it squirting on your what you call it. Pull it back a little bit. There we go. Now we can tighten it. We're going clockwise. And down here you look. You want to make sure that your O-ring's in there right. Then we just tighten her down. You'll feel it pop. Yeah, there you go. It's all going in good. That's it. Once you get this on there, pretty good, get your valve open, close it a little bit, and just open it with about a half turn. And then we'll just go over here, turn this back on. And should feel some air squirting out. It's making a funny noise because you should start to see some water flushing through there in a second. There it comes, see it? That's what you want so you don't burn out your motor. It's filling up. There we go, filling up. And now we should start feeling the air coming out. You can see it swooshing down there. You can feel some air here now. There it goes. Nice and pressurized now. A lot of air in there. This whole thing's got to fill with water. So it's pushing all that air out. And if you go out here, you might see some bubbles popping out of it right there. So it's blowing the air out. Yep, there's the pool. Looking good. Just vacuumed it. See if we got any water squirting yet. None yet. This is nice and full. Check for leaks. You can close your panel. Come back over here. Still got good air coming out. There we go. So now we got, there's water. See if it purges itself a little bit better. That's it. That should be it. So now we're good. All right, so we changed our filter. That's how you do it. All right, so anyway, you've got a choice. You can go on Amazon and you can buy the filter for this Hayward for about 80 bucks, or you can go to the pool store and you can buy it for 180, or you could have your pool man put it in for 250. And you saw how easy it was. And I'm going to show you how to figure out what filter that you need. All right. All right, so here's my filter canister that I put it in. And for you to figure out what you need, you've got to get down here. And you're going to see it right here. It tells you what you got to get. And if you look, C1750. So that gives you all the information on what you need to put in this Hayward canister for your filter. You know, the cartridge filter basically. And that's it right there, man. So anyway, and here's all the specifics on this right here. So you can see it. You do a screenshot, and also you can read it right here. It gives you all the details. Do a screenshot. And over here, you've got the schematic of how the thing works. And down here, you got the numbers. All right, that's it. So anyway, by doing the pool myself and purchasing my filter on Amazon, I saved about $140 over what a pool guy would charge you. Also, when they do these things like when they shock your pool and they charge you 60 bucks, you can buy that stuff for $7 at the pool store. And if you get your own chlorine, and if you use 10 gallons every 2 weeks, that's going to cost you about 54 bucks. So it's better just to do it yourself. You're going to save money, and it's kind of therapeutic. It's kind of fun, really, to tell you the truth.